Hi, boy. Eggs what? Boy and SD. What the fuck me? Because I ate early on my dinner, so I ate only three slice of bread and with mayonnaise. And I was late after an hour because I'm eating. I need to, a fuck of eating at midnight snack. Sir R, send me super chat, Sir R, so I can get my salary. Hi. Why not $5 or something 10 to make easily get my quota on my YouTube? Yeah. Looks my skin. I put what you call this, fresh milk on my face only because I can't afford in my whole body. Like the snack and sister-in-law is not around because my brother is there. Hi, Sir R. It's almost Christmas. Two days before Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. Buwan mo na item. What's my item? What's my item? I'm good. Wait, my battery is 20%. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. We could find any special. What's special? I'm good. Ouch. Opens up. What up? This opens up. Can't. No, 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 not here. You don't already have my apps for that. You're very hot. Thank you.